How to set an invisible username on Discord. So if you want to set an invisible username on Discord, then open up your Discord on your website or on your PC. So go with the browser and then go with Discord and make sure to log into your account. So to set an invisible username on Discord, you need to simply uh, have the special characters or the invisible characters that will allow you to set an invisible username, since Discord will detect those. So simply go with the user settings. Under user settings, you need to go with the display name and go with edit. And here you need to simply copy and paste an invisible text. You can go with browsers and then you can search for invisible text, and here you will have invisible text or character. You just need to simply copy. For example, I'll be copying this one. Once you're here on the account, now you need to go with the username, go with edit under your username. And here you need to simply remove that and copy the invisible text and paste that here. Once you've pasted, you can simply go with done, which is on the bottom right, and you'll be able to change your username, or you'll be able to have an invisible username. But if you're not being able to set invisible username on Discord, because that is not allowed by Discord. In some regions, it might be allowed. So if it is allowed, you can simply go and use that technique, and your username will be set as invisible. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.